If you are an educator hoping to utilize the Journey 2050 program in your classroom, this is the video for you. First, you'll head to journey2050.com. Once there, hit the orange register button on the top right-hand side of the page. Please note, students do not need to register for the game. They can simply press play game and start from there. So I will go ahead to the register page. You will then register for the program by filling in the provided text boxes. Here you will fill in your state or province. This will be key in determining what resources are available in your area. Once it is filled in, you'll hit the sign up button. I have already created an account, so I will log in. Once you have registered, you will automatically be brought to this page. At the top, you will see your teacher code. This code is important for receiving reports. Students, when playing the game, will be asked what their teacher's code is, and their reports will show up in your account. I will go further into where to find those later in this video. Once you scroll down, you will see that we offer 3 program types. These are dependent on where you live. So for those in Alberta, you can book a field trip. In North America, you have access to multiple guest speakers in the guest speaker program. And for those who cannot participate in these in-person programs, we also offer an online option available worldwide. I will first show how to use the online program. To access, press Learn More under the Online Program heading. Here you will see all the lessons that we offer. You can deliver these in person or virtually. As you scroll down, you will find a variety of videos and activities that are available for use. Here you can also download the files that are just relevant to you by pressing the provided links. To download all program resources at once, use the Download All Files button. If you have any questions about getting started, reach out to a local program coordinator here. Next, press Play/Download Game to see where your students can access the game. It is available online or available for download. To determine which lessons and activities are most relevant to you and your grade, click Curriculum Connections here. For more general understanding of how it aligns, select the Standards tab. Select your standards. Select your subject and select your grade. You will then see where this program will contribute to desired learning outcomes in your curriculum. To see specifically what content from the Journey 2050 program aligns with your program, select the Content tab and fill in the same text boxes. You will then be recommended specific videos, games, and lessons that your classroom would benefit from. Next, let's get into how to find those teacher reports. To see the reports and track students' progress, click Teacher Reports. Teacher Reports track students' progress in the game and are meant to be used as a completion/grading tool or discussion resource. Your teacher code must be used to generate teacher reports. Reports are currently generated after each section of the game. You can expect to receive a cumulative report after levels 4, 5B, and 6. Reports should be in your account by the following day. And here I will show you what each of those reports may look like. You can see their answers and just general progress within the game. When students go to play the game, they will be prompted to enter your teacher code to generate those reports. If they enter the teacher code, they will then be prompted to enter the number they were given. Teacher reports will show student 1, student 2, etc. When you scroll down, you can see the student reports. You have the option to download each report as needed. Past reports, meaning anything older than 6 months, will appear in a separate section. Please note that a self-guided experience is also available. Click the self-guided experience to learn more. Review the Educator guide here for more information. This is designed for use when a teacher cannot facilitate the lessons in the classroom. It is ideal for distance learning or with a substitute teacher. Please note that students can navigate to the self-guided experience by clicking Online Lessons under the Students tab on the homepage. For more follow-up activities following the Journey 2050 program, click Follow-up Activities to explore available resources. And that is all for the online program. The second program option is the Guest Speaker program. The Guest Speaker program is available in select regions throughout North America. To find this program, you will navigate back to the main page. Click Learn More under the Guest Speaker program. The Guest Speaker program includes a 2-hour presentation. Please note, some Journey 2050 Guest Speaker partners prefer that you book through their organization. Please check with your local coordinator before signing up. Because I am registered in Alberta, these options will appear for me. If there are no guest speakers in your area, it will not let you book. However, if there is, fill in the number of students, the number of classrooms, and select the available dates. Then press Confirm. To see your bookings, scroll up to the My Bookings page. Lastly, in Calgary, we offer a field trip experience at the Nutrien Western Event Centre on the Calgary Stampede grounds. Navigate back to the home page, scroll down, and select Learn More. Like the guest speaker experience, teachers located outside of Alberta will not be able to submit a field trip request. For the teachers in Alberta, scroll down and select the number of classes, the number of students, and the name for the class. Check the checkboxes that you're willing to do the pre- and post-activities and that each child is willing to bring their own water bottle and bagged cold lunch. Select Confirm and view your bookings. If there are any questions or concerns along the way, never hesitate to reach out. We are always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.